Okay, so here is my Glock 43x with I got the Radian kit on here, magwell, and the ramjet plus afterburner. Also got a TLR 7X sub flashlight, and I've got the O-Sight O-Light green dot shake awake on there. And today I'm going to install a Johnny Glock's Evo plus the Vex metal trigger shoe. I'm not going to do that on video, but I will update post install. You just can't really see that with the pistol back there, but there it is, all polished up and ready for install. So yeah, I will update after the install. Also want to check here, we'll make sure that it is empty and obviously no magazine, but see how not smooth, you know, just a basic Glock trigger. Not terrible, and this has had several hundred, maybe about 1,500 rounds through it, somewhere around there. But you know, I'm excited to see the difference post install with the Johnny Glock's Evolution trigger. So let's get to it. Alright, so it took about 40 minutes, and yeah, there it is, the Johnny Glock's trigger with the Vex trigger shoe. And let's see how that trigger pull is. I mean, it's definitely better. I really like that reset for sure. But yeah, definitely won't know for sure until I get it out on the range. I like the way it feels like on my fingertip. I definitely like the way it looks. But yeah, that's it. About 40 minutes, not too bad. And that was me following a YouTube video, so if I actually knew how to do it myself, it would have been a lot quicker. But hey, that's it. Thanks for watching.